Powerful 6.5 magnitude earthquake hits southeast of Heraklion, Crete, Greece. A magnitude 5.8 earthquake rocked the southern Greek island of Crete on Monday. The Institute of Geodynamics in Athens announced and sent people out of their homes and buildings. There were reports of deaths and several injuries, although two people were trapped in damaged buildings, authorities said. Previously, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center EMSC said the earthquake had the magnitude of 6.5 on the Richter scale, while the US Geological Survey USGS recorded an earthquake measuring 6.0 on the Richter scale. The epicenter was 23 km northwest of Arvi at a depth of 10 km, the Athens Institute said. The mayor of Heraklion village said two churches and other buildings in the village were damaged and two people were trapped, one in the church when the dome collapsed during the renovations and another in a house. This is the 14th earthquake to hit Crete, Greece in the last 3 hours. According to the European Union data, Crete is the largest and most populous of all Greek islands with more than 6,34,000 inhabitants. Thanks.